After describing why I needed Julia for robotic operating system and not Python, and the reason is that robotic system includes lots of mathematical stuff, which I did not find in Python. The Julia platform, Julia, what should I say, client library for robotic operating system was launched in like 2 years ago or something. So I found that, and I thought to develop nodes, publisher subscriber basic nodes on robotic operating system. So here I am to describe how to how to develop publisher and subscriber nodes for Julia. First of all, we need to understand the, we have already, I assume that you already understand the Python simple publisher subscriber nodes for the robotic operating system. So we, in the we go to the tutorials, we make the scripts, and then we write the code. We include this location where the Python is available, and then we write the code, and then there is a code is explained. So based on this template, I have prepared. Actually, I got this code from here. Let me acknowledge this. Okay, where is that? In the issues. This the okay. Okay, here in reproducing the official ROS beginner tutorial. So I will put the link on the description below. So I got this link, and I have gone through this all stuff, and I thought, okay, let's give this a shot. So I put this and copied and pasted here. Okay, so here it is. So user bin environment Julia, and please note that there may be some we need to take care of these things. So it's here, and then it is also okay. Right. Okay, same. So I copied from this section to this, and then pasted over here for the talker, and then copied from this to here, and then pasted over here. The description is pretty much well documented here, so if you're interested, please go through it. And the pattern is same, just like the Python. We gave the description from where we should get the Julia, and then we're using robot OS. And if you get the error, you need to install robot OS package, and then standard messages. It will throw some warning, but it is okay. And then using standard, you code this, and this is your callback function for the subscriber. So the same method is that you initiate the node, and then you put the subscriber queue size is 10, and then you call the callback function, and instead of spin once, you spin, and that's what it is. So you call listener. This is a function. So if listener is interactive, then the call listener. So it will call the listener. This is going to be the main function. In the same way, this is going to be the talker. If is interactive, then you call the talker, and then this is the function. It initiates a node, and then publisher, and then rate is 10, and while it's not shut down, it just prints time and hello world. And then ROS by log info, instead we have simple log info hello string, and then publish this string message hello string. That's it. And then sleep. So this is a pretty much same. So let's get this thing and run. And I have also I'm also running it. Uh, so first we need to you have to make it channel mode, so that to make it executable just like Python. So we have to make channel mode plus x plus talker.jl, and in the same way we have to make this as a executable the same way listener and talker. I'm sure it must be somewhere here, but you can go through it. Okay. So we channel mode it, and then we run the main, and then we ROS run Julia tutorials and listener. This is the same listener mode, and you can see it gives a warning that the string conflict with Julia built-in will be imported as string message. And the same, we run the same type of warning. It's okay, and now it's talking, and this one is listening. Thank you very much. If you have other requests, please let me know, and I would be happy to answer. Till then, bye bye.